This is for David, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to play, first of all, 4 bars at a time, which you can copy me, and then I'll play 8 bars at a time, which you can copy me, and I'll play the whole thing. Okay, so our speed is going to stay the same, this speed, and I'll play, I think I said 2 bars, is that right, or 4 bars first? So this is for anyone home. So it's copy time here. Okay, I'm going to come in. Okay, now I'm going to do bar 5. Here we go. Now I'm going to do bar 7. Now I'm going to do bar 9. I'm going to do the whole line here. Now I'm going to do bar 13, the whole line. Okay, so now I'm going to do a line at a time. I'm going to put my left hand with it. Okay, your turn now. Try it hands together. If you need to, pause the video. Okay, now I'm going to do the second line, and this one's soft. Now I'm going to do the third line, and this is soft going to loud. Here we go. Now I'm going to do the last line, and this is loud, but it slows down at the end. Up in the air to come off. Okay, I'm going to play it just a little bit faster, and I don't really want it any faster than this at home. You've got to really, really control your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. practicing. You need to do this at least, I don't know, 20, 25 times a day. Good luck.